we are going to be doing the sharpening evaluation. I am by myself today, so hopefully you are able to see this. I think you can see everything here. So we're going to start with the sickle. I just chose the anterior sickle since it's attached to the disc, and we have to do that one too. So we're going to start with this, making sure that it is 90 degrees. So sharpening cord at 90 to 110, starting with the downstroke, going down all the way across the vertical axis, ending on a downstroke. Flipping it to the other side, doing the same thing, 90 degrees to 110, starting with the downstroke, ending with a downstroke. Okay, for the disc, we're going to start at 90 and go to 110 and round the toe. Making sure that we are staying 110 degrees, ending with the downstroke. Okay, now on to our universal. Now I'm going to round the toe in one and not round the toe in another. So for this one, I'm going to round the toe. So I'm going to start at 90 and go to 110. So with the barn heart, we just do this. We do not go, we do not round the toe except one time. So this time I will. Rounding the toe. Making sure you're staying at 110. Doing the other side. 90 to 110. Rounding the toe. Making sure to overlap. Now for the other side, if we're not rounding the toe, which we only round the toe about every 4 or 5 sharpenings, we will just do this. 90 to 110, and just keep it and not move it at all, except up and down. Same with the other side. 90 to 110, not moving it at all. Ending on a downstroke. Okay, and then for the Gracies, I do believe the evaluation sheet wants us to do all of them. Yes. This is the anterior Gracie. I'll just do one side of every one of them. So this one's side here, cutting edge is right here on this side. So you're going to 90 to 110. And, oh, wrong side, excuse me. Going from 90 to 110. Starting with the downstroke. Making sure to go around the curvature of the blade. And then we would do the same thing on the other side, except we would go on this side because the cutting edge is on this side. So same thing, and so on and so forth. So then we have the Gracie 1516. Whose cutting edge is on the right side for this one, but of course we flip it over and do the left side as well. So for this one, we would do from 90 to 110, excuse me, from 90 to 110, going along its vertical axis, and rounding the toe. Excuse me, my paper got in the way. Let me start back over again. Rounding the toe so it's nice and sharp around the whole thing. Ending with the downstroke. And we would do the same thing on the other side, except we would go on the left. And then for this one, the cutting edge is going to be on the right side also. Making sure that this is always, the terminal shank is always 90 degrees. So we're going to go to 90 degrees to 110. Starting with the downstroke like we have been this whole time. Slightly rounding the toe. Ending with a downstroke. And then we would do the same thing on this side, except we would do the left side. Same thing. And that is all. That is my sharpening evaluation. I hope you enjoy the rest of your night.